Push it away far from your face.
Hi, my friends and family. I'm out in the backyard today and I'm doing an outdoor cooking today. I'm cooking some curry goat, right? With I have wood and coal here that I'm doing, right? So I'm enjoying it, but it's so hot. This is what I want to enjoy back home. My friends and family, look here. Aunty Pauline in our backyard. Got big old Dutch pot. I want coal, fire coal. Me a burn wood and coal. You saw me bossy? See me few piece of wood there? Don't laugh after it. And few piece of fire coal. Here is me pot. Right? Me the up on the hill today with me pot. And you want to know what I'm cooking? I am doing some curried goat into me Dutchy deer. It going to be Hindi here, so. All right. Father Jesus, help me if we go through this heat here outside. All right. The spoon. Hmm. Don't want it get too hot. Now my garlic into this. And my carrot. Here me carrot. My curry. Box cover. It hot. My masala. And my curry. And my garlic. This is my curry seasoned down right here. A long time me no cook like this, my friends and family. So please, just be aware. Jeez, if you no ever smell this goat meat and curry, the goat meat seasoned on from last night. Oh, it smells nice. My friends and family, remember, this is New York. You will hear a lot of emergency vehicle and regular vehicle going by because I'm out in the yard in the back. So just bear with me with this, the movement with the noise and the vehicle. Can't help it. Just wanted to give you a new scenery and a new video today. Now bunja it down. We're not going to make the fire blaze up no more under it until in a little while we blaze it up back. Wow. Smell good, you say? This is what you call outdoor cooking. Eh, wood and coal. Smell nice, eh? Yes, my dears. Let me have a bottle of water around here so for drink. All right. Oh, it feels good to be out here. Just give me my room temperature. It feels good to be out here, right? But it's hot, very hot. My hill not so high, but it's hot. Man, I just smell of this. This smell like I could have just take it off now and eat it. I'm gonna see if it's cooking with enough salt in it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Man, oh man. Which nice, it hot. You think we have enough fire underneath it? Not true. A mosquito bite me? Ah, I saw. It a dry out? Oh, Jesus. It smell good. It smells so good. Nice man. Long time me not see this, you know. I me not do this wood with thing there. So nice. Hey, hey. This is lovely. Coal and wood. Who say me not live Jamaica life? Who did tell me that? You?
Not me, somebody else.
Because me living it right now. Curry goat, wood, coal, hobby, rim. Who say me nah live the life? Nice man. Uy. All right. We're gonna put some hot water in here. Nice. And just let it, and just cover it down now. All right, we're gonna cover this down. And then we're just gonna let it stay there and cook for a little while. Oh. I mean, go cut up my onion over here. So. Uy. You see that big green pepper right over there? So pick it and carry come give me. Let me drop it in on my pot. One long one. Ooh, spoon. Fire, fire. Nice. Kabunja, nice. Jesus, man. I say, dancing with the smoke. Mm. Going to put in all this seasoning right here. No, you can't open the pot, honey. Onion, scallion, thyme. Gonna take a few more pieces of garlic to, Then bring it and put it in there. Plenty garlic cook up in there already too. Close it down for me. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Make it bunja down a little bit more. We're going to put some more water in there. And then we put in the potatoes. Yeah. Man, it smells nice. It tastes good. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Hi, my friends and family. I'm out in the backyard today. And I'm doing an outdoor cooking today. I'm cooking some curry goat, right? With, I have wood and coal here that I'm doing, right? So I'm enjoying it, but it's so hot. This is what I want to enjoy back home. But you know, due to circumstances, it's better I stay where I am. I don't like the behavior of what is going on there in Jamaica, and I am not going to set up myself to be a part of it, right? So I am here and I am doing my thing here. Ooh. One moment. She's nice. Oh, lovely. This is so nice. Merciful. So good. Delicious. Right, I'm going to put in my potatoes here into the pot. I don't know what them give me the camera for now, you know. So me fi cook, video, and do all of this. So if it spoil, I know me do it. And them tell me if do it. Hold camera and do this. But I'm going to turn on my camera and show you my pot. You see my pot? Well, tell me if you can't see it. Why there? See the pot there? Right? Nice. Nice. All right. Nice. Cover. Um, yeah. You're just hearing about Panama, but remember that I was actually planning on moving to Panama, right? When I was down in Florida just before the heart surgery, right? We were planning on buying somewhere down there, right? But no, sir, me we think about there or Costa Rica or somewhere, but
Let me ask you a question. Tell you the truth. All of these years we've been in America, it's not bad.
no, my love.
Why would want to leave to go try something else which we haven't really been going through anything yet?
No, no, me love me quite comfortable where me
That
is.
is it. Why it would come that way now and again when the winter time comes. But that is it. We do not know anybody over there to leave the house with. It's safe. I'm not sure.
Me look at me 2 shilling when me I go have or when me I go get. After when me get old.
You howl already, my lady.
When me get older, right? Mm.
Do you miss this though in Jamaica, the outside cooking?
Eh?
Do you miss the outside cooking?
That's what I miss most about it. You can go outside and build your wood fire and roast your breadfruit and whatever, whatever. But you're getting breadfruit and you get the same kind of cooking. You cook it on gas stove, I same cooking. You cook it on wood fire, to me I same thing. You know, I miss nothing.
Years ago in Jamaica, because I remember we never used to have burglar bar and then, you know.
My car when me did have a Jamaica down so a bicycle. But that time in my younger days. But even when before I had you, right? Because it was my early stage of having you when I moved away from Jamaica. We never have burglar bar pan house. Me coulda leave me vehicle open. Only thing gonna use to get for thief out the vehicle am night time and una gone practice for drive. And people can tell me say, you know, so me see you pick them a drive your van last night. Me say, what? But you are the baby, you know, but they have you with them to cause you go talk. Wow. Look here. See it? Nice. I am finished here now, you know.
That's it.
Yes. Wonder how we're going to do with this fire here.
I put some corn on it.
You have corn?
Yeah, there's corn inside.
We'll go get the corn and put them on.
Yeah.
So we're not putting no more fire in there, you know.
No, but when it's it, I'll put the corn on. Mommy, watch it.
Ash is that.
There's not much fire left in there.
It's all right. Just drop the corn them into it. Friends and family, it's nice sitting out here and talking to you, right? This is the ending of the video out here, and we will be moving inside. Pops is in there. He's putting on the rice inside indoors. So this is it. Let me show you my pot once more again, right? Wow. Look at this. How nice this is. See? Nice. Potato cook, everything nice. Everything ready. Good. Come on. You know that I don't have on a mic.
I'm not using the mic, I said.
Oh.
The camera still picks up though. We'll add this to the end. Huh?
No, George. Okay, you know where Poughkeepsie steakhouse is?
I know where it is now.
Where it is?
It's when you go down where the gas station is down here. You met the left. It's right there. That little restaurant right there.
What you talking about?
Yes, you're right. On Raymond Avenue. So when you go, instead of making the right,
You see when you go out today,
not Raymond Avenue,
you see when you go to Vassar Avenue, Vassar
right. So you met the left. It's right there. That building right there. So
on your left hand
left hand
right.
side. Yes, that's where my friend used to work. Yeah. So Cindy and I passed it and we looked at it.
After that we go there. Nobody wasn't there now, the restaurant closed, but the man them was working outside. Tell me that.
It can come off.
Yes,
That one can come off.
all of them can come off.
The one in front of you. Near one car.
Look his own, I put it down and look his own. Just find something.
Princess Victoria in her handbag. Hi,
Chica.
Princess Victoria.
Hey, Chica.
Look at the corn.
Robert.
Butterfly.
You like corn?
Give me a hug. Uncle hug. Let me hug. Let me hug. Let me get so pretty today.
Oh.
Yes. Come, you just you can catch one to catch the butterfly.
Hi, Vicky.
Say
Hi,
hi, Grandma.
Vicky.
The butterfly shall go after. No.
Okay, friends and family, we're at the ending of the video, and here's what the lovely curry goat turned out to be. And we roasted some corn, and Pops came in and made some rice in the rice pot. So, did you take a picture of this? Okay, so I am going to share his meal. It's past eating time. We're all so hungry. Okay. Oh boy, it's so hot. Okay. So my friends and family, I'm gonna sit and enjoy my supper because I am so tired. Been on it all day and it's hot out there. Phew. Lord, merciful Father. Pops, you soon can't move me again. So this is what the curry goat turned out to be. Very nice, very tasty, and some nice roast corn and coal stove with wood fire too. Not done in a pot on the oven, on the stove. All right. So thank you all my wonderful friends and family, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being a part of my family. Thank you for sharing this video up with me and watching it with me. Right? God bless each and every one of you. So we are going to bow our heads now and give God the glory. Father Jesus, for what we're about to receive, we give you so many thanks, Lord. Bless and guide and protect us, Lord, and make this food be of great nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name I ask. Amen. Wow. You see that? See how nice and soft this is? Look here. Nice. Tender. Juicy and tasty. Thank you all so much. Like it? It did good. And a different flavor, you know, with the outside fire. Nice.
My family and I would like to thank you all very much. And thank you very much for being a part of our family. I hope you enjoy. God bless and thank you very much again. Aunty Pauline, yard to abroad. Big up Aunty Pauline and Pops. Love you.
This is 5 pounds of goat meat. Ram goat meat. This is not cornmeal, my friends. This is roast breadfruit.
When did you start cooking?
From I was a young girl. The lovely chef in the kitchen here with me today. I'm putting a little escabeche on this.
Pauline, yacht to a brass.